So guys, today we're gonna do a topic about
very
what will
nice topic.
happen if a horse sneezed on you. Observe. A horse. Now, let's try to get a dog to make the horse sneeze.
That's so weird.
Oh my goodness, this dog can't work. Oh my goodness. Now, let's try another thing. How about tigers? 3 tigers can surely make a horse
Let's see what this turns out like.
Come on. Come on. Oh, the horse saved him. This tiger. Now, what else could work?
Yeah, what else?
Oh, maybe a ballet person. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, no, that's not good.
But
How
what will?
about... Oh, I have a question. Stop farting. Just sneeze, you stupid horse. There he is.
Okay.
Yay. Okay, goodbye.